Okay, so this here is a straight piped 4-cycle C430 Ryobi, obviously. Old exhaust on it, straight piece of crap. So yeah, I had to do a lot of modifications to get this to fit on here. I had to cut out a lot of that. We got a straight header right here. Since you see, it actually doesn't go straight to the piston here. It comes out of the head train, or valves anyway. So I got, okay, I mean you can't see. Well, yeah, okay, right. It's only hammered to about like halfway, or a little more. Very strong. It didn't come off. I can lift the whole entire thing up. I found some custom bolts here, so I can hold the heat shield on here, so then it protects this and helps with the cooling system. It's got built-in from Ryobi's factory. It's got a large bolt that fits over this bolt, or well, screw mount anyway. It holds on part of this, so yeah. Exhaust, you can see from when I was hammering it in, yeah, see how much it deformed. Okay, well, here's the belt, spark plug. I took it out, put some 2-stroke gasoline inside the cylinder to see if I can bring back the rings, because this thing is pretty old. It's an older model, because the newer models have a different kind of filter, and yeah, the filter for the newer models does not fit good in this weed whacker. So that tells me right there it is an older model. So yeah, it's still kind of worn from previous use. Anyway, let's start it up. It likes gas, by the way, so it eats a lot of our gas up. Yeah. I don't, yeah. I'll just put a foot here and pull on it. Runs really good, to be honest. Like I said, it eats a lot of gas up, so gotta warm up a little bit. And I gotta adjust it a little bit. A little bit of adjustment. Yeah, it needs a little bit of adjustment, obviously. You know. Is it out of gas? No. I guess it really does need some adjustment.